I'm always amazed by these kinds of devices, by computers in general. This is a multi-user, multitasking environment that runs a standard Linux kernel. So, as a Linux device, it's running probably 20, 25 processes right now, okay, as a standard phone. All right, it's a multi-user environment. I can take an SSH program and have a directly connected terminal session to this phone, and I can use it with standard Linux commands. Okay? However, it's a branch of Linux, which means that Google attempted to enter its changes to Linux into Linux in general, and the Linux guys said, sorry, not going to happen, because they're not quite mainstream enough. So Google said, fine, we're going to do our own thing. And they took out certain things like the new libraries, the X Windows system, and they put in rich media support for all those sensors and connectivity devices, and speech recognition, several other things. That these are not in the standard Linux environment, and probably will not be right away, because speech recognition, for example, is very tailored to an Android-style phone. This gets here real well, but I like the distinctions in this diagram. So let's talk about the divisions. Here, this line right here is the kernel that interfaces with hardware. So you've got the hardware of the phone, you've got the chips. Each of these is a driver that takes it's the software that takes the hardware chips and makes them available to the rest of the operating system.